YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today, I will be unboxing the Smart Wifi Dreamlights from Lasco. Okay, so for those of you who doesn't know about Lasco, so Lasco is a smart security and smart home automation company. So nakaka-proud lang kasi Filipino brand tong Lasco na to. So nabanggit ko sa previous videos ko na nakaka-proud kasi nga Filipino brand siya. And lumalabas na yung mga ganitong klaseng company na lumalaban talaga sa mga other international brands. And ang maganda dito, solid na yung quality nila and at the same time, mura pa compared to other international brands. So yan, box natin today is the Smart Wifi Dreamlights from Lasco. So ano yung kaibahan niya compared to the Lasco Smart Wifi LED strip? So based from the specifications and product descriptions na binigay ni Lasco, si Smart Wifi Dreamlights is an upgraded version ni Smart Wifi LED strip. Kasi kung yung Smart Wifi LED strip napapalitan nyo yung color kahit ano, si Dreamlights hindi lang napapalitan yung color niya, but napapalitan yung color per bead. So yung bawat bead or yung bumbilya nung strip light na to, napapalitan mo ng color. So, depende kung anong gusto mong style na gawin. So, yun yung in-offer ni Dreamlights compared to Smart Wifi LED strip. And also, Lasco said na yung music mode neto is an upgraded version of the previous LED strip. Kasi meron na siyang separate remote na nandoon na yung mic. So, expect na mas accurate yung pag-sync niya sa mga music. So, ayan, ita-try natin yan mamaya. Okay, so before we do the unboxing, let's check what can we see on the box first. So, in front, you can see the Lasco logo, Smart Wifi Dreamlights. And you can see the LED strip then. And then, based from here, nag-iiba nga yung color niya. Parang nagiging gradient na siya. Ayan o, halo-halo na. And then, napansin ko dito, powered by Tuya Intelligence Inside. I think Tuya yung app na gagamitin. So, di ko pa alam and aralin ko rin as we go along. So, on the other side, nakalagay lang, manufactured for distributed by Lasco Home Security and Automation, website nila and email address. And then, may Philippine flag. And then, on the other side, nakalagay lang, available siya sa App Store and Google Play. Sa likod, some features. So, tune color changing. So, yun yung sinasabi nilang addressable lights na per bead yung pagpalit ng color. And then, meron din siyang on and off or timer schedule, same as before. And then, you can still use it through your mobile. So, and then, voice control na rin siya. Then, scene selection, and then music sync. Ito yung sumunod na best feature nito, na yung music sync is mas accurate compared sa previous Smart Wifi LED strip. And then, sa baba, ito yung mga applications na pwede mong magamit or compatible with this product. So, the first one is the Lasco App, obviously. Then, Smart Life, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Google Assistant, and Tuya app. And then some specifications lang, voltage, 12 volts, power supply, 110 to 220. Color niya is RGB. And then bead quantity is 150 beads. And then music sync, yes. Dimmable, yes. Control mobile app and via the remote. So maganda na rin may remote para rekta. And then length niya is 10 meters. So yan, works with yung mga nabanggit ko kanina. Powered by Tuya, yes. Connectivity, Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz network. And then compatible OS, of course, Android and iOS. And that's it. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, so ito na guys, unboxing. Unboxing knife. Yeah, okay. Okay, so opening it na guys. Oh. Wow, ayun na yung remote. So, ito talaga yung isa sa, alam mong maganda ang quality ng Lasco. Kasi every product, as in, chine-check ko rin yung mga box, meron talagang ganito. So, tinest muna nila bago nila shinip. So, alam mong lahat ng items dito is quality checked. So, ayan, nakalagay, December 5, 2020. So, very recent. So, what's in the box? So, first is, ito na yung RGB controller. Power adapter, syempre. And then, yung hub, of course. And, wow. May kasama na siyang adhesive para pag dinikit mo siya somewhere. So this is the IR receiver. So meron siyang music button, color, and on and off. And then may butas dito, and I'm guessing dito yung mic para mag-sync yung music to the LED strip pag ginamit nyo yung music mode. And para to pang tidy up sa cable management. Instruction manual. Dalawa yung manual na bigay nila. Ang sabi dito, ang package content na to is dapat kasama yung LED strip. Check. IR receiver. Check. Anchor, check. IR remote controller, check. Power supply, check. And then, points of installation, stick the LED strip on a suitable surface. So, bawal siya sa knitted or wool fabrics, dusty wall, rough plastic surface, and frosted glass. So, yan yung mga may hinang pagkapitan ng LED strip. Ito pa, let's do the unboxing for this one. Parang iba siya dun sa LED strip talaga. And this one is to connect this one and this one. So, ito na yung connector niya. Yung LED strip is 4-pin and 5-pin. And this one is 3-pin. So, ayan. Ganyan. So, iba na yung style nung connector. And then, closer look on the LED bead kasi per bead na ang pag-change ng color. So, hindi lang yung buong strip but per bead. And as you can see, merong parang transistor for every bead. Okay guys, so ito na. Complete set nung package. So, let's try to power it on. Click the on and off. Oh! Nice! So, ang ganda nung addressable lights. So, pwede na lang gawin tong ganitong color modes. So, let's check. Oh, parang ABS yun ah. Nice. Para na siyang parol. So, I'm not sure pa kung anong itsura niya if nakalapat siya kunyari sa TV or your monitor or your desk. Pero, ang ganda nung effect na to. Sobrang liwanag niya rin, guys. Ooh. Yan, nakakahilo yan. Nice. Wow. Ano pa? Oh, parang gulong. Ang galing. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Okay, let's try music mode. Mic, check. Wow, sobrang accurate niya guys. Tingnan nyo. Every time I say something, nag-sync talaga yung voice ko and the Dreamlights. So, sobrang sensitive nung nung mic niya. So, I'm guessing ito yung mic talaga. And then, mas malapit dito, syempre, mas accurate. Mas malayo, syempre, mas less accurate. Pero great job, Lasco. Sobrang, ang daming nag-question sa akin about the music mode ng mga LED strip and nung bulb. And, yes, oo, sisync talaga sa music. Pero not like this. Parang sobrang sensitive na ito. And sobrang okay niya. Nice. Hey, go. Play some music.
Playing some music on Spotify.
Hey, go stop. Maka-copyright tayo. So, I guess perfect to sa mga nagti-TikTok. So, bihisan nyo lang ng ganito yung ceiling nyo or yung kwarto nyo. And then, habang nagpapatugtog kayo sa TikTok. So, perfect to, I guess. Okay, so what else pa on this item? Na-check na natin yung addressable lights na kita naman na per bead talaga nag-change ng color. And yung synchronicity nung music or sound to the Dreamlights. So, sobrang okay. 2 thumbs up, Lasco. Let's try red. So, ito yung normal LED strip. So, RGB siya. So, any color, kita naman. White, orange, yellow. So, ayan. Blue. So, ito yung levels ng ilaw. Brightness. Ito yung brightest. Jump 7. So, yun na yung mga kaninang pinagpipindot ko. Nice. Mic check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, iba-iba pa siya. So, kanina, nagbe-blink lang siya. And ito, depende. Ito yung 2 na music mode. Second mode. So, habang nagsasalita ka, nagmo-move din yung colors. So, ang galing. 3. What's this? Oh, mic check. 1, 2. So, ito, medyo stable lang yung colors. Hindi siya masyadong changing. Pero, nag-change pa rin siya. Every time na nakakarinig siya ng music or ng sound or someone talking. So, yan. Sobrang sensitive talaga. Nakaka-elibs lang. This one. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Nice! Galing! So, I guess perfect talaga to pang TikTok. So, ang ganda. Balik tayo sa 1. Yes! Low! So, great job, Lasco. Ang ganda talaga. Ang galing. Okay, so try naman natin ng connecting siya via the mobile app. So, as per the manual, press the on or off button for 5 seconds. Yan, nagbe-blink na siya. And then from there, dun sa app, confirm the indicator rapidly blinking. And connecting. Nice, connected na siya. So, palitan natin to ng Dreamlights. So, this is the Lasco app. And then, ito na siya to change the colors. Same as dati. Pero iba yung interface niya compared to the other Lasco product. Ito pala, hindi merge sa taas. This one. Or yung brightness. Kita nyo ba? Yan, humina na siya. And, alakasan natin. Oh, nice. Scene. Shuttle. Chase. Streaming. So, okay to sa mga gamers. Ito yung backdrop mo. Flutter. Rainbow. Training. Follow. Run. Music. So, ganun din. Dito pala, meron pang sensitivity. And sabi ko kanina, sensitive na siya. And hindi pa pala full yon. So, ito, full ko. Yan, siguro kahit bulong, naririnig niya. Wow. Wow. Rolling. Galing. Ito parang parang nasa ride. Space Mountain. Nice. Energy. Wala lang. Setting. Ito yung schedule na on or off. Kung gagawa ka ng timer. Countdown, pwede din. Nice. So, kakaiba yung interface nung bagong Lasco item na si Dreamlights. Kasi yung, punta natin yung LED strip. So, ito yung previous interface. And, for the Dreamlights, bago na siya. This one na siya. Okay, so in front, makikita mo nakalagay si Lasco Wi-Fi Smart Bulb with the picture of the Lasco Smart Bulb. And then on the side, this one is the 9-watt version with 700 lumens. It has cool or daylight and warm and yellow light. So it also has RGB. Schedule timer, on and off timer, and then voice command via Amazon Alexa or Google Home or Google Assistant. And then you can also
Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Catch me in the fridge, right where the ice is. So good, yeah, love so.
comment down below if ano yung feature na pinakagusto nyo for this item. And comment nyo na rin if meron kayong question about this product. Also, I will be creating another video about Lasco. So, no surprise about that. So, meron tayong bagong Lasco product which is this Smart Wifi Fairy Lights. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.